Hi all! So as we have promised before, we're gonna show you how to make pumpkin latte. This drink is delicious, it's aromatic and indulging, and it's perfect for the fall season. It's really easy to make. You just need few simple ingredients that you can buy at any supermarket. So let's get started. So let's take a look at what kind of ingredients we have. We have milk, pumpkin puree, brown sugar, spices, and these are the mixture of cinnamon, ginger, allspice, cloves and nutmeg, vanilla extract, coffee, and whipped cream to top it at the end. We start with heating milk, and as soon as it is heated we're gonna add ingredients. We actually have a lot of milk here because our entire America House team is gonna taste it afterwards. So as soon as it is heated, we add pumpkin. Well, actually you can add as much as you want. Someone likes when it's really strong, you can feel the pumpkin taste. Someone likes it when it's light. Then you whisk it. So brown sugar is in. So here go our spices. And now we're gonna add vanilla extract. We add coffee. And it's almost done. Mix it well and let it heat a little bit more. So now what is left is just to pour it in cups. Now you take your whipped cream and top it, and you can sprinkle some cinnamon or nutmeg. Yep, it's done. So here we go. That was easy, right? We'll put a recipe in a post. You try it as well and let us know how it turned out for you. Have a fabulous day.